How's it going, folks? Today we're going to be talking about intermittent fasting. So what is it? So we've got some friends and family trying it out, and they're having loads of success. They're losing weight, their skin's looking clear. So what is it about this mythical intermittent fasting that is giving these people all these great results? So we're going to go into that today. All right, so basically intermittent fasting, what does that mean? The definition of intermittent fasting is a period in time where you sustain from eating or consuming calories. So the first thing that came to your mind is probably, so you starve yourself? No, it's a time frame where you don't eat, and then a small time frame where you do eat to get a whole bunch of benefits that we're about to go over. This isn't anything new. This is what many people have been doing for many years now. You probably clicked this video because you've heard someone talk about intermittent fasting, or they've had a whole bunch of success with it. So, what are the benefits of intermittent fasting? First one would be to give your digestive system a break. We live in a time now where you can go down the street to McDonald's and get a burger, cheeseburger, fries, soda, and be full for a couple hours. Well, the way our bodies were designed based off of what our ancestors did, the early ancestors, they had to get up probably early in the morning, and they had to go hunt and actually search and find food to bring it back to their family so they can eat. Nowadays, food is so readily available for you, you can just overconsume, which puts on a lot more weight. For some of you, if you are interested in losing weight, that's something that is important to you. Other people, it's not, and that's okay. Everyone's on their own path, on their own goal, on their own journey, and that's okay. So that's one benefit. There's more. Mental focus and alertness. So basically, when we fast, our body tends to go into this survival mode, which basically it puts us in a state where we're focusing on surviving. So it's actually tricking your mind into being more mentally focused and alert. All right, the next one is the best one, fat burn. Fat burn and muscle preservation. When we fast, we're activating a hormone called human growth hormone, which actually helps us lose weight and actually build more muscle. Especially if you work out in the morning while you're fasted. You get up in the morning, do a quick workout in the morning, and then you go about your day and have your first meal at this. I'm going to explain that here in a minute. But when you work out fasted, you're actually burning more fat and building more muscle, and it's being preserved. That way it's not going anywhere. Even as an ectomorph body type. If you want to know more about ectomorph body types or all of the body types, I'm going to put some links in the description below. That way you can go check those out and learn and find out which body type you are. Okay, so the last one here is my favorite, autophagy. Autophagy is a process where our bodies clean out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer cells. If you ever worry about getting cancer or having a low or a weak immune system, this is definitely something that you should look into. Also, some other benefits to autophagy is that when those cells get renewed, it actually improves our skin, it improves our hair and our nails. All right, so how do you start this intermittent fasting? What do you got to do? Okay, don't overthink it, all right? It's very simple. All you do is you skip breakfast, the most important meal of the day, right? Have a late lunch. So let's say I had my last meal at 10 p.m. last night. Today, I'm going to have my first meal at 2 p.m. This is intermittent fasting. It's a 16-hour, 8-hour window. So you eat within those 8 hours. There's some people that do OMAD, or better known as one meal a day. So I've actually done this before. You fast for 20 whole straight hours, and then within those last 4 hours of your day, have a meal, or have a decent sized meal of something clean, of course. We'll get into that. when breaking a fast, make sure you eat clean foods, like actual whole foods, like cruciferous vegetables, some fruits, good source of protein, like tofu, tempeh, some fresh organic chicken. Make sure it says no antibiotics ever, because legally, whoever is taking care of the meat, they can put the label no antibiotics on it, but that doesn't exactly mean that the last 30 days of the animal's life that it was actually fed, a vegetarian diet. Okay. So break your fast with something clean, something healthy. Grass-fed beef is another one. I prefer 93 or 90% lean and up. So yeah, you basically follow those steps. It's literally just as simple as just not eating. Now, there's nothing wrong with not eating. There's a lot of scientific data and evidence out there that proves that this is the best way to become healthy, to lose weight, to have better skin, nails, hair, have more energy, do the things that you have to do on a day-to-day basis. All right, so you're probably wondering, so what can I consume? You can do dry fast, which is basically you just, you straight fast for the amount of time that you want to with consuming absolutely nothing. Or you can definitely have water. Okay, you can definitely drink. There's some things you can definitely drink. Like you can definitely have black coffee with no sugar. Okay, this actually boosts the autophagy process. So it's actually these two work together. Black coffee. There's different ingredients within coffee that actually boosts autophagy. So another one would be herbal tea with no sugar, of course. You can do like green tea, black tea is another good one. Chamomile, lavender. These are all good herbal teas that you should definitely be drinking while you're fasting. All right, and also, of course, water. Water will not break your fast. Things like soda, chocolate milk, Lipton iced tea from a bottle, almond milk. These things will break your fast and knock you out of this autophagy, and it'll knock you out of having mental focus, alertness. It'll stop the fat burning and muscle preservation. Pretty much all these benefits deplete because you break your fast. When you eat something or drink something that has sugar or contains calories, it knocks you out of those benefits. It knocks you out of everything. So make sure you just stick to black coffee, herbal teas, water, and also a little tip here to avoid muscle cramps. If you're on the keto diet, this is for people on the keto diet. If you want to avoid muscle cramps, definitely get some water and put some pink Himalayan salt or even some sea salt, like a little pinch. That's all you need. A little bit goes a long way, but it really helps your blood levels and also helps any muscle cramps if you're on the keto diet. You can also do intermittent fasting with any diet. It's universal with any diet. You can do it with the vegan diet, vegetarian diet, keto. If you're doing a paleo diet, this works with everything. So I hope this sums up this video on intermittent fasting. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to answer your questions. If you like this video, please give me a like. Please share and subscribe if you want to keep seeing videos just like this. Thank you and have a good day.